We're working on word problems with rational equations. To train for the running of a triathlon, Jerry jogs 1 hour each morning over the same 7-mile course. 3 miles of the course is downhill, whereas the other 4 miles is on level ground. Jerry figures she runs downhill 3 miles per hour faster than she runs on level ground. Find the rate at which Jerry runs on level ground. First, I recognize this as a distance equals rate times time problem. I have distance, I have rate, I have time all involved. And then I go through and read the information again, highlighting what I need for solving this problem. She travels 1 hour each morning over the same 7-mile course. 3 miles is downhill, 4 miles is level. She runs downhill 3 miles per hour faster than she runs on level ground. Find the rate on level ground. I'm going to set up a distance equals rate times time chart. I've got level and downhill. Distance, 3 miles is downhill, 4 miles is level. She runs 3 miles per hour faster downhill, so I'm going to call R how fast she goes on level ground, and R plus 3 how fast she goes downhill. I don't know how long each portion of this run takes. I just checked up here. I have that it takes 1 hour for her to cover the whole course. So this is going to be time level, and this will be time downhill, but I know that time level plus time downhill equals 1 hour. Okay, now I have everything I need. Time level, here I'm solving for time. Distance equals rate times time, so time equals distance divided by rate. So time level is 4 over R. Time downhill is 3 over R plus 3. And add it together, this equals 1 hour. I'm going to multiply by my least common denominator, which is R times R plus 3. So I'm going to multiply this side of the equation by R times R plus 3, and this side of the equation by R times R plus 3. When I do this, I make sure this R plus 3 in my denominator here has parentheses around it, so I know that comes as 1 unit. I can't factor anything out here. I'm going to distribute R times R plus 3, and I'm going to multiply. So here I can divide out an R in the numerator with R in the denominator, and I get 4 times R plus 3. This is a plus. 3 over R plus 3 times R plus 3. I can divide out the R plus 3, so I get plus 3R, and that equals 1 times R plus 3. Much simpler. I distribute across my parentheses. 4R plus 12 plus 3R equals R squared plus 3R. I just saw a simpler way to solve it, but I'm going to keep doing this way. 7r plus 12 equals r squared plus 3r. Going to subtract 7r and 12 from both sides. I need to set it equal to 0 in order to solve it. I need to have 0 on one side of the equation. R squared minus 4r minus 12 equals 0. This factors nicely. R minus 6. R plus 2. Equals 0. So R minus 6 equals 0. Solving for R, I get R equals 6. Or R minus 2 equals 0. Sorry, R plus 2 equals 0. R equals negative 2. We cannot run a negative distance, so Jerry runs 6 miles per hour on level ground, because we solved R as level ground. Check and make sure that's what we needed. Jerry runs, find the rate at which Jerry runs on level ground. So the answer is Jerry runs 6 miles per hour on level ground.